How do you say hi in French? The word hi in French is salut, salut. For example, Salut Pierre, comment vas-tu aujourd'hui? Salut Pierre, comment vas-tu aujourd'hui? This means, hi Pierre, how are you today? The word salut can actually also mean bye. So salut can mean hi or bye. Désolé, mais je dois y aller. Salut. Désolé, mais je dois y aller. Salut. Sorry, but I have to go. Bye. So salut means hi or bye in French. Salut. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount. Rooted in meaning. The word salut comes from the Latin word salus, meaning health. So when you greet someone with salut, you're actually wishing them good health.